What up, everybody? It's Cashflow Nexus back with another video. Sorry that my voice is a little scratchy right now. I have not been feeling well, but I am going to make this video for you guys. And what's up, Cloud Life? You know what it is. Cloud game all day. Trading the clouds. We dance on the clouds. We make money with the clouds, all right? But as you guys know, I want to do a simple strategy with Ichimoku for basic understanding of the cloud. It's just a simple strategy for beginners. So what it entails is two things that you need to look out for. You first need to find where is price related to the cloud. Has it broken the cloud? Is it in the cloud? Where is it at? And then the second component you need to look for is Chiku span. All right. So this strategy is very simple. Find the candle, see where if the candle has broken the cloud. This is a breakout strategy. So find where the candle has broken outside the cloud. Once you have identified that, quickly find Chiku span. So now we see Chiku span has broken out of the cloud. That is a green signal. That's a green signal. That's the green light to enter the trade once you see Chiku span has broken the cloud, because this is your lagging indicator and it's also your confirmation to enter the market. All right. So you just find the price breaking the cloud right here. Did Chiku span break? Yes, it did. So once that you've identified the break for both, what you want to do then is enter in right in here. So let me show you where you would enter. Bam, right there. That would be your entry. Your stop loss would be somewhere in here. Yeah, let's say right about there. So let me make that red for you guys. Pop. So that would be about a, oops, right there. Oop. Take profit somewhere in here once you see Chiku span break. So 61 pip stop loss with a 230 pip target. Only reason why you would have that target is because, take this off, you would not exit out the trade until you see Chiku span crashing into price. So you would exit somewhere in here, or you wait until the TK cross, which would be right here. All right. So a simple strategy. Price breaks cloud, Chiku span breaks cloud, enter the market on the next candle or the closing of the candle that has broken out. And then once you enter there, ride that trade up, have a nice stop loss, exit out on the Chiku span crashing into price. And this strategy works for all time frames, to be precise. So what to avoid for this type of trade, because you do have moments where you see false breakouts like this right here. So you have to pay attention to that. But if you realize, let's see, price did it really, let's look at it a little bit better. Here we go. So this would be the candle right here. It was a false breakout right here. So it did break out, but look what happened. It wicked in here, came back up and played and started ranging. So you want to find clean breakouts like this right here. So this right here, perfect breakout. Nice clean breakout with Chiku span. Enter the trade on that candle, ride that trade down until Chiku span crashing the price. So yeah, this is a very simplified strategy for beginners. I hope you guys, understand it. If you want me to break it down some more, I can do that for you guys. But let me know in the comments what you think. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notification for future videos and content. And thank you for watching. This is the best strategy, in my opinion, for beginners, for Ichimoku, and anybody that's beginning in Forex, that's a visual learner. All right. So you guys take care. God bless you guys, and peace.
I'ma visit the sky today. Hey, I'ma dance on the clouds.